Welcome to Fluffy Tails TV. Today we're diving into a crucial phase of a puppy's life: socialization. It's more important than many realize. Think of socialization as planting seeds. These experiences shape their behavior, impacting their temperament for years to come. But when is this critical period? And how can you make sure your puppy gets the most out of it here on Fluffy Tails TV? The socialization window typically opens around 3 weeks and begins to close around 16 weeks. It's shorter than you think. During this time, puppies are highly receptive to new experiences. Introducing them to different stimuli is key to their future well-being. Exposure to various sights, sounds, and smells prevents fear-based reactions later in life. It builds their confidence. Just like humans, positive interactions teach them what to consider safe. This makes for a confident and stable dog. A well-socialized puppy is more likely to be friendly and less prone to anxiety. Your effort pays off in tenfold. Remember, quality over quantity. Short, positive experiences are better than overwhelming ones. Take it slow and watch your puppy. So, prioritize socialization. Give your puppy the best start in life. Like and subscribe to Fluffy Tails TV for more tips.